Hey guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. If you have an S chassis 240sx and you're looking to swap a TR6060 transmission into that vehicle, we've got the clutch master cylinder kit to make that job a breeze. Let's take a closer look. This package comes with everything you need for a quick and easy installation. As you can see, it includes the clutch master cylinder, the bleeder line, the billet aluminum adapter plate, the feed line which runs from the slave to the master cylinder, and the two adapter fittings that made up perfectly with the factory TR6060 slave cylinder. These two fittings are designed and manufactured in-house here to make it easy to get rid of the factory messy line for the bleeder which dumps the fluid right inside the transmission. This bleeder line and adapter fitting make the job of bleeding the TR6060 clutch slave cylinder a breeze. This line gets it outside of the transmission with this custom-made bracket that's meant to bolt right up to a tab that's on the outside of the transmission. And this bleeder nipple makes bleeding the clutch system simple. By removing the factory hard line out of the slave cylinder, by pulling the pin, you slide this fitting back in, which adapts it to a -3 AN line. This billet aluminum adapter plate was designed to use the factory hardware to secure it against the firewall, adapting the bolt pattern to the Wilwood clutch master cylinder for an easy installation. All the lines provided in the SIKKY Master Cylinder Kit are stainless braided for performance and reliability. To find out more or get yours today, log on to sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps.